Hello, thanks for watching this video. Now this is a video to introduce the clinic, where it's located and how secure it is for you to come in for your treatment. So I just wanted to show you around. This is 250 Pitt Street. The surrounding buildings are your galleries and the chemists, and it's at the intersection of Pitt and Park Street. And currently there is a metro subway project construction site and kids stuff. Okay, so let's go inside. So walk in the building, 10-15 minutes, and here it is. The door is securely locked at the moment, so once you arrive at the building, please give me a buzz and then I will let you in. Let's go up to the So I'm located on level 4, so I'll come and pick you up and we go up on the lift together. Once you arrive, come out of the lift, turn left and to the right. And go straight down to our office, 406A, on level 4. Here we are. Once you arrive, please help yourself to the hand sanitizer and do hand rubbing for 20 seconds. Now I'd recommend you sing the tune of Happy Birthday to you, happy birthday to you, until the end of the song, which is about 20 to 30 seconds of rubbing. Okay, and then I'll get you to have a seat until I call you in. And lastly, but most importantly, I will be, during the session, wearing the mask to ensure the safety like that. So please excuse me for not showing my full face during the consultation. Okay, and also the other thing is, in between patients, I will be doing deep cleaning of the bed behind me with a alcohol wipe. And also I will be changing the linen, such as this towel here, in between the patients. Also pillowcase will be changed in between patients, so you always get the clean linen. And well, that's always been the case in our clinic, but just to reiterate and to ensure you know that you're in safe hands. So I look forward to seeing you in the clinic, and I hope to contribute to your healthy lifestyle and recovery from any pain or discomfort around your jaw, headache, other body ailments. I'll be happy to help. Look forward to seeing you then. Bye.